Ghost in the Machine by Patrick Carman, Wednesday, September 22nd, 11:30 p.m. Nothing. The screen is dead. She's not there. I wonder when my dad is going to sneak out and if my mom knows he's leaving. He's going to leave soon. He might already be gone. Wednesday, September 22nd, 11:35 p.m. Still no Sarah. Should I call someone? Maybe her camera's not working. I don't know what to do. I'm checking my email. Wednesday, September 22nd, 11:37 p.m. She sent an email. I don't trust Mary Shelley. Someone's been trying to hack into my site in just that last few hours. Bonner, your dad, my parents? Doesn't matter. Mary Shelley is dead. I've beefed up security. Snoopers get shut out and hit with a nasty virus. Whoever it is won't be back. Lost a few minutes on this, so I won't be live until 11:40. Cutting it close. Use the Ancient Mariner. S. I've got 3 minutes. The Ancient Mariner. I was wondering when this was going to come up. Sarah and I took the same English class together last year, and for some reason I obsessed over this poem. She hated it because it was so wordy and hard to understand, but I loved it. I think because it was so sad and lonely. It's about how bad choices led someone astray, how he can't find home. It's the story of a wanderer who lost his way and never came back. I hear my dad sneaking down the stairs. It's a 10-minute walk to Longhorns Grange. Sarah better hurry. This password does have a video. Watch it, then come back here. SarahFincher.com. Password, The Ancient Mariner.